안녕하세요, this is Gia. I want to show you today a dish that is perfect for hot summer days. It's called Kongguksu in Korean, and it's a noodle in a cold soy milk broth. This dish is seasonal and has lots of nutrients. This cold noodle dish requires only 5 ingredients: dry soybeans, cucumber, noodles, almond, and salt. We'll be using 1 cup of yellow dried beans. This soybean is mainly used to make soy sauce and soybean paste. Rinse the soybeans in water. Drain. Then we're going to soak them in water for 6 hours. Soybeans soaked in water and those that are not are so different in size. We want to cook the soybeans. Add enough water to cover. Add a little bit of salt and bring it to a boil. Skim off and then lower the heat to medium and cook for an additional 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the garnish. Cut the cucumber into thin strips. Green cucumber not only gives color, but also has a crunchy texture that goes well with creamy soy milk noodle soup. Okay, the soybean is cooked. Drain and rinse the soybeans in cold water. 1 cup of dried soybeans become 2 cups when it's soaked and then cooked. Add 2 cups of cooked soybeans, 4 cups of water, and almonds in a blender and grind finely to make sort of puree. The finer it is, the creamier the result will be. At this stage, you may adjust the thickness of the soy milk by adding more or less water. I want to show you 2 ways of making soy milk. Run the puree through a strainer and you'll have a smooth milk-like texture. And this is just pureed soy milk. The consistency is thicker and this version is creamier and nutty. Stir well and refrigerate to chill. Now let's cook the noodles. Thin noodles called somyeon or somen is typically used in this dish. I personally like to use buckwheat noodles as well. Cook somyeon noodles according to the package instructions, about 3 to 4 minutes. Pour cold water when boiling. This prevents the outer part of the noodles from overcooking. Drain quickly and rinse in cold water to stop cooking. Place the noodles in a colander to drain and then make serving size mounds. Place the mounds in a bowl. Pour the chilled soy milk over the noodles and garnish with the cucumbers. This dish is served very cold. Drop in a few ice cubes in the bowl if the soy milk is not cold enough. 2 different types of kongguksu is prepared. This is the one that we sieved, so it has a more clear broth. Okay, I forgot to season it. Normally, the salt is served with kongguksu, so you can add about 1 inch or 2 pinches of salt and then again taste it. So this is clear, but it's very creamy and nutty. So nutty, so creamy, delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time.